Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hakim bin Ahmad Nazri, and my groupmate is Muhammad Zuhini. Today, our group will present about the ECE523 mini project. And our mini project is Malaysia Government App Monitor, is monitoring platform exclusion in Malaysian government mobile application. So this our chosen title for this project. Okay, so for the introduction, the Malaysian government digital service are increasingly delivered through mobile apps covering health, civil administration, security, welfare, and education. But as adoption grows, so does the hidden risks. Many of these apps are built and optimized for just one mobile platform. These are Huawei device owners who don't have access to Google mobile service. And as well for iOS users in categories where development has historically favored Android. This isn't just a technical inconvenience, it's a societal and legal issues. Because public service fund by taxpayer money should be accessible to no matter what device a citizen owns. For this project, we analyzed there are 473 Asian government apps across these three platforms, which is Android, iOS, and Huawei App Gallery.
Problem statement. There is currently no systematic way to monitor how evenly Malaysian government apps are distributed across mobile platforms or to flag when a widely used essential service becomes so concentrated on one platform that it excludes citizens on the others. No visibility. Agency may be unaware a critical service that has become concentrated on a single platform. No predictive model. Correlation show a shared deployment pattern, but no formula exists to anticipate cross-platform impact. No real-time alerting. Without ongoing monitoring, early warning signs of exclusion are missed until it's already widespread. Objective of this mini project: build a monitoring system, ingest government app adoption data, Android, iOS, Huawei share and total reach as simulated IoT telemetry, analyze platform concentration, use descriptive statistics, correlation and regression to identify which categories and apps carry the highest exclusion risk, deploy a live alerting dashboard. Build an interactive dashboard with a meaningful alert flagging high risk, essential category apps facing exclusion.
Okay, for the next slide, system simplification. Here's how the system actually works, which is it starts in Google Colab, and we load our clean dataset of 473 apps and run our analysis, which is descriptive analysis, correlation, and regression by using the pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Once the analysis is done, each process record is pushed to a TeamSpot device using the HTTP telemetry API. And essentially, simulating what a real IoT sensor will do by sending the live readings. So from here we can see the flowchart how our system works from start to the end. And then on the TeamSpot side, we have built a dashboard with 4 widgets, which is a time series chart tracking platform, and share over time the table listing individually, at-risk apps, a pie chart showing the overall excluded versus include split, and an alarm table. Finally, the rule chain continuously evaluates incoming data whenever an essential app is flagged for exclusion and has over 100 1,000 users, it automatically raises a major security alert. So the whole pipeline goes from raw data to analyze into a live set alerting dashboard. Now, for what we actually found, on average, Android holds 51% of user share across all 573 apps, by far the dominant platform. Android and iOS user counts are very strongly correlated at 0.997, which tells us that an app's overall popularity, not platform-specific factors, mainly drive its adoption on each platform. Our regression model shows platform means expand 64% of the variance in app, which with Android share being the strongest and most significant predictor. Breaking this down by category, regression apps have a 100% exclusion rate, FX sit at 90% and CVM admin have sit at 71%, meaning the categories with the most essential public service are also the ones most likely to leave users behind. And here on the right, you can see our actual live things dashboard. The pie chart shows the 221 out of 173 apps, or about 39% are flagged for platform exclusion. So this is the result of our dashboard, which is, as you can see, there are 4 widgets that appear on our dashboard. As I said before, there are 4 widgets, which is time series chart, time series table, alarms, and pie chart.
Conclusion: WeGuard developed an IoT-based monitoring system to analyze Malaysian government mobile applications using descriptive analysis, correlation, regression, and ThinkSpot. The analysis show that Android is the dominant platform, while Huawei has the lowest adoption. Essential apps such as health, education, and civic admin has a higher risk of platform exclusion. Correlation and regression results confirm that platform distribution significantly affects application reach, with Android being the strongest predictor. The ThinkSpot dashboard provides real-time monitoring and alerts, helping stakeholders identify platform exclusion issues and make better decisions for cross-platform development. Overall, the system supports more accessible, inclusive, and data-driven digital government services in Malaysia.